Here's an interesting app which is similar to Real Short. It's called ShortTV. Watch dramas and shows. So let's just install it. It's just got just under 1,000 ratings. So it's a good idea to start it now. Maybe you will get some rewards, some coins, and some free shows. Yeah, so that's the idea. Welcome to the exciting world of Short TV, your personal hub for all kinds of engaging short dramas. Step into the realm of Short TV, where an array of engaging short dramas and movies awaits your exploration. Immerse yourself in a diverse range of episodes and elevate your drama experience to new heights. So yeah, just open it up. You can allow notifications, and then you see here some recommendations right away. And then this is just a Discover tab in the bottom left, and there is Shorts tab, where you instantly can just watch all of this drama. Then you can see recently watched, and then there is your profile, where you can just create your account. So to sign in, you can sign in with Facebook, Apple, or Google. You get some additional bonus if you sign in with Facebook obviously, because yeah, you will just be able to connect your friends. So yeah, there you have it.